This is the first snowfall Tao Tao's sister has ever seen. It's cold. Yes, snow is a bummer. And it's really cold on your hands. The one upside is, it's a perfect excuse to walk like this. They're so hungry, they'll eat anything. Rooster certainly isn't giving Tao Tao any handouts, or warmth, or support. Rooster is scrapping over food again. Before you know it, Tao Tao gets drawn into the fray. Tao Tao's father wants nothing to do with it. With the cold biting at his bones, Tao Tao is longing for some comfort. Up until now, he's resisted going back to them. Maybe he's trying to prove something to his father. Right now, he needs warmth. He abandons the Lost Boys and follows his family. His father won't let him in. Tao Tao has no one to turn to. He's run out of options.